Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to set pattern lock on Android. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now to set the pattern lock, first of all go to setting and over here scroll down and over here you'll find this password and security. Tap on this and over here you can find this screen lock. Here you can find password, fingerprint and the face unlock. For now, I'll go with this password. I'll tap on this and now here are three options: pattern, pin and password. Now I'll go with this pattern. After that we need to set the pattern. Now I'll go with this 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. I'll draw this again 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. And now just confirm. And if you want this fingerprint, you can just add. For now, I'll cancel this. And now you can see the screen lock password is on. So in this way, we can set screen lock pattern on Android. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.